Hi guys, if you want to promote your Etsy account on your TikTok, then this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you how you can add your Etsy link to your TikTok bio. Now this is very quick and easy. The first thing you want to do, guys, is you want to open your store, okay? Or if you want to copy someone else's store and you want to promote it on your TikTok, you can do that just by clicking the store name, and you have to copy the name of the store, okay? Now if it's your store, just copy this name. As you can see, this name, copy it, click Ctrl+C, or copy it manually, click copy, and then open a new tab. As you can see, paste that name here, the name of your store, and add to that name, add .etsy.com. Now that's all you need to do, guys. You want to copy now the link. That's exactly now your link. Now whenever someone clicks on that link, it will take them directly to your Etsy shop, okay? Now the second thing you want to do, guys, you want to open your TikTok account. You can do the same thing on your app. If you are using phone, you can do the same steps. Now you want to open your TikTok app and then click edit profile. Like you will see here, edit profile, click on it, and then you can then paste the link of your store in bio, as you can see, and then click save. And that's exactly, guys, how you can add the link. Now if you are using phone, instead of pasting it on your bio, paste it on website, so it's clickable. Like whenever someone clicks it will take them directly to your Etsy account. Now if you don't have 1000 TikTok followers, it's not going to work on the app, okay? You can only just only put that link on your bio, not on the website, because when you are using app, you will find their bio, and under that you will find their website. Now if you don't have 1000, just do this. Or otherwise, if you want to get 1000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute, I made a video about it. Just search for how to get 1000 TikTok followers, and you will find this video. I made this video about how you can do that. Let me show you the video in 1 minute. Okay, this is the video.
Minutes, and somewhere in the video I am also gonna show you how to get millions of.
So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like.